Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my vidiq review. Today I'm gonna give you full walkthrough of this vidiq extension. I'm also going to show you what are the key features of this app and what are the pricing. You can use this app by clicking the first link in description and installing this extension for free. Now I'm going to show you how to use it and how vidiq is going to help you rank on Google and get the best SEO ever. So basically, vidiq, for those of you who don't know what vidiq is, basically it is a cloud-based app or an extension that will help you customize your channel and make your videos more SEO friendly. So let's get started, guys. Basically, if you want to make a video on YouTube, first you have to make your research. So I want to make a video on make money online. I typed the keyword, the main keyword, and I searched it. Then vidiq is gonna show me some intel here, as you can see, the search term, the highest views, the average subscribers, when was it added, the average age of each video, the time on the title, the time in description, times this keyword was mentioned in title, and times this keyword was mentioned in the description, and the top creator here, which is the main YouTube channel that got the most views in this keyword. Now, here we have some scores, the vidiq search score and the vidiq competition score. Now, the vidiq competition score is too high. If you are new channel, you can't go past like 20 or 30 percent, 30%. You can't make videos because the competition is too high. Now, in the end of this video, even if you have 0 subscribers, 0 views, I'm gonna show you a cool trick to use vidiq and to get tons of views. So here we have some intel, like I said, and here we have the top ranking keywords on Google. We have the top search terms on YouTube. You can copy these by clicking here. You can download them. And we have some popular trending videos. So basically vidiq will help you a lot. You can copy these tags and put them in the keyword section of your video. When you upload videos, you just copy these tags and put them. You can go to this video like this. I already opened this video. There it is. It's gonna give you some info on it, the overview. You can see on the side, this is the vidiq extension. Once you install the vidiq extension, this will appear. First you have to log in. Just go to their website, click the first in the description, type your name, email, password, confirm your password, and click on agree and click on sign up. Now I have the enterprise version. You are going to start with the basic version, and then if you want to upgrade to get more features, you have to pay a monthly fee. But trust me, when you watch this video, you find out all the key features of vidiq. You're gonna want to pay, and this will cost you pretty much nothing, because vidiq, if you use it right, you'll be able to make thousands of dollars monthly from YouTube, and you will be able to afford all these plans. They will be like such a little cost that you wouldn't even bother to pay. So here we have the overview of the video. This is the vidiq score of the video on the SEO. We have the views, the duration of the video, the likes, the dislikes. We have the social engagement rate. We have the YouTube engagement rate, the like ratio, and all this stuff. We also have the SEO, vidiq SEO score, the backlinks, this is the low word count, the end screens. We have 0 end screens, the words per minute said in this video, the backlinks, Does it have a good title, good description, good tags? It doesn't have cards, no end screens, and it's not shared on Twitter. And then we have some information on the channel, the total views of the channel, average daily views, and all this information. Basically what we need the tags, because in the video tags you can copy them and you can piggyback of this video. I'm gonna talk about this in the end of this video. Now I have the enterprise version. I have some extra features. For example, when I upload a video on YouTube, when I go here and click here, then I click upload. I'm gonna show you this. When I upload some video to YouTube, I'm gonna choose a random video and come back. So as you can see guys, I have chosen a video. All these features won't appear unless you have vidiq. Now vidiq will customize your description, will suggest a title and a description. They have a character counter, a keyword inspector. If you go down here, now if you have the free version, you will have these info right here, but you won't have these extra tab. This extra tab is for, this is an extra feature of, I'm sorry for my bad English. This is an extra feature inside the vidiq, and I'm so excited to show you this because this is the main thing that you need. It will show you similar videos that are similar to your video that you are uploading. You can basically add the same keywords by clicking the plus here. So basically this is the video. This video is similar to mine. It has 13 million views. I can click here to add these keywords to my tags part. I'm gonna click here, and as you can see, vidiq is gonna suggest some keywords, some high ranking overall keywords. Just click plus and add them. So as you can see guys, they are added in the tags section. I'm gonna click here, then I'm gonna click here, as you can see, and the vidiq SEO score is getting higher. So if I added more keywords, the vidiq SEO score would go even higher than this. So if I add these keywords, basically, as you can see guys, the SEO is going much higher. Now here we have some suggestions made by vidiq. You can add a card, add at least one card, add at least one end screen, closed caption, monetization enabled. If you have monetization, you can enable it. You must enable it on here. It will increase the views and the SEO. You can add it to a playlist. You have to share it on Twitter, share it on Facebook, and get at least one like, and reply to recent comments. All these indications will help you to get your video ranked, and this is more SEO friendly. You can add your where is it? Yes, you can add your custom thumbnail here. I recommend you make a professional thumbnail for more views. You can premiere the video, and we have some pretty cool features as well. So this is it for this section. And as you can see here, vidiq added this tab to my video or to my YouTube platform. This tab will show you your views in the last 12 months. I have nearly 2,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. We have the subscribers in the last days. You just click on here to add them. As you can see, you click on here, you check them, and they will be added onto your YouTube platform. I got 145 subscribers or 145 views the last 7 days, and I got 1,000 subscribers, 1,008 subscribers. 1000, I'm sorry, 1108 subscribers. So basically, vidIQ will help you do a lot of things, and there are some features as you can see here on the sidebar of YouTube. This is for the enterprise and the boost version only, or in the pro version. So the paid versions only. You can view the competitors by clicking the competitors, which are, you can add their channels right here. You can add their channel ID, and then it will show you high ranked videos for them. You can piggyback out of these videos, as you can see, guys. So I added the top YouTubers in my niche, and I can make similar videos to their videos, and I can make some decent money. Now here's the trends alert. You can make an alert for a video trending right now. So welcome to trend alert. You can go, you can add a trend alert. You can go to the most viewed. So you can view the most viewed videos in the last 48 hours, on this week, on this month, and on this I'm sorry, on this month and the past few months. The channel audit will give you an overview of your channel, as you can see here, guys. This is an overview of my channel, and it will give you competitors' videos and their growth list. So this is pretty cool feature. You can add the time in the last 90 days, as you can see here, guys. So this is pretty cool features that are available on vidIQ. You can get vidIQ from the link down below. I hope you liked this video. So before I go, I must show you that secret that I told you. So if you choose one of these plans, the Pro or the Boost or the Enterprise plan, just comment down below your email, and I'll send you, comment down below your username and email, and I'll send you my secret course that helped me get thousands of views and make thousands of dollars on YouTube. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.